Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to do unboxing of this grow light which I have received from one of Cokolilla brand ambassadors. I will include the link in the description box of their Amazon store and Instagram account so you can check out more details. So this is Cokolilla brand ambassador and they have kindly sent me this LED grow light so I can check it out and share my thoughts with you. So this is the packaging and you can see it is very neat and sturdy, so it looks nice, and I'm going to open it for you so we can see what is inside it. So here it opens really easily. This is just the cover, you can just take it out, and this is the foam to keep the things in place, and these are all the parts of grow light. It looks very simple, and basically here is the manual, user manual, where they have given you all the instructions how to install the light and how it is effective. So they have quite a series of LED grow lights, and the one I have received is the first one, which is LZB1, and here is all the instructions and how much energy it uses and how much output it gives. Installation guide, which is really easy. You have got clips to hang it by the ceiling, and here basically is the spectrum, light spectrum, which plants use. So plants work a bit different from human eye. So plants need 400 to 700 nanometer of wavelength to grow and produce effectively. So this user manual looks good. It has all the instructions you need to install your light and all the information, and that how high or low you should set up your light depending on which phase of growth the plant is, whether it is on seedling stage, whether it is vegetative plant growth, which is basically just the leaves, or for flowering or fruiting stage. And it is also in different languages other than English. So here is the main light. So they have secured the plug, and this is the plug and cable which is already attached to the main light. Here are the clip hangers to hang the light by the ceiling. So I open it for you to show it. So basically there is rope which you can use to adjust the height of your light, and this clip will go into the ceiling hook, or you can use a hook by the wall, and this rope is quite long so you can easily adjust the height of your light. Basically they say if you want to promote flowering and fruiting, you need to set up the light about 45 to 60 centimeter high, and at the vegetative stage you can set it up like 1 meter to 1.5 meter high. Here are the clip hangers for the light. So there are basically 4 hooks attached to the main clip hanger, and those 4 hooks go into each corner of the light to carry it. So this looks quite sturdy, and the light itself is like 1.5 kg maximum. So these clip hangers are strong enough to bear the weight of the light. And here is the main light. I try to take it out for you to show it how it looks, and basically the packaging is quite nice and sturdy. It is really secured in its position, and you can see this is the front panel of the light. So it has all the different lamps in it which provide you with 400 to 700 nanometer of wavelength which plants need, and this is the back of the light where the battery is, and you can see all the inputs they need. And basically this is quite energy efficient. This is 1000-watt LED light. It uses 110 watt of electricity, providing you the energy efficiency of 2.7 micromole per joule. I calculated for myself how much it would cost me to run it for like 10 hours per day for a 6 weeks time period, and it is roughly like 25 pounds, British pounds. So I think it is quite efficient, taking into account the photosynthetic photon flux density, which is ppft. It stands for the number of photons hitting a surface per second per square meter. So that's basically the term which gives us the idea how effective a grow light is. Normal lights we use for lighting, like incandescent lights or normal fluorescent lights, they do not work like grow light. They do not have the full spectrum which the plants need. So they are not photosynthetically active radiations, which we say PAR, photosynthetically active radiations, like 400 to 700 nanometer wavelength, which plants need. And they do not provide us with photosynthetic photon flux density, which plants need to perform. And they have included a chart where we can see how photosynthetic photon flux density varies considering the height of the light from the plants. So here you can see in the top right corner, the light is most effective when you hang it above 30 centimeter high from the plant, which is recommended for flowering and fruiting stage. So here I have turned the light on and you can see it is really bright. In fact, I can't really look towards it. It's so bright, just like sunlight, and basically the normal lamps can't really compete with this light. It is so effective and so bright, and I can already have a feeling that it can satisfy the needs of my plants if I want to grow them indoors, to prolong my growing season and to give a healthy start to my seedlings. And basically in UK we have like short daylight for quite a long time, and we have a small growing season. So I hope this LED grow light will be really effective for me to prolong my growing season. So this cable is quite long. It is 1.5 meter and it can easily reach my power supply. It has a UK switch, and these clip hangers are quite nice and sturdy. They are also like bright shiny silver coating, which looks nice. And the light is not only sturdy and strong, but it is quite aesthetically pleasant as well. So if you hang in somewhere in your room, if you don't have a separate place, like I will be using it in my utility area, so it will look nice there as well. And here are the holes in the side of the lights where these clip hangers will go, and basically this is how you can put them inside. Really easy to install. And this is the main clip hanger which I already showed you, and basically it has two clips, one on the top side which will go into the ceiling hook, and one on the bottom side where this hanger will attach together. And here you can easily adjust the height of the rope. There is a lever here inside which you press to adjust the height of the rope. So this lights looks promising. It is nice and sturdy, it's aesthetically pleasant, and it's not very expensive. It is one-time investment and it can really go a long way in growing your plants, vegetables and flowers. So you can start them early indoors, and you can also try to overwinter some plants, or maybe you can grow some plants inside your house during the winter as well. And basically I'm quite happy with how it came through. The packaging is nice, the light itself is nice. It is 24 by 30 centimeter and gives a maximum coverage of 3 by 3 feet. It has a built-in cooling system, and basically it sinks the heat and it doesn't heat up, and there's no fan, no noise. That's an extra advantage, and I'm really happy with this light and I will highly recommend it that you do try. I will include the link in the description box where you can follow the link to buy this light for yourself. And I guess you will be pleased with yourself in coming years when you use this light and your plants grow better and produce better for you. So it is one-time investment, and basically it is energy efficient as well, as I shared with you. If you have any further questions, you can leave a comment or go to the Instagram account Nyla Grow Light LED, and they will be happy to help you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.